This is the January Pretty Obsessed beauty box. It's arrived late. I'll try not to hold that against it, but let's have a look through to see what we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video I have an unboxing for you. I've actually opened it up because I didn't know what it was when I opened it, and now I regret everything. I haven't opened the actual box though, just the envelope, the plastic envelope, but let's just get it out here. So this is the January Pretty Obsessed box. So first things first, I'm a bit upset that it came so late in the month. Really not happy with that at all, but hey, such is life. So this is my second box with this company. The first one I absolutely loved. I'm really hoping I'm going to love this one as well. So let's open her up. Oh, everything's falling out. Right, so we don't get an edit card with this. This is just a refer a friend leaflet. So yeah, talking about referring friends, I have a link. I'll pop it in the information box and the comment box. Click that link and it'll get your first box where you don't pay for the postage, which is fab. That's what it looks like in the box, all neat and tidy. There is a little sneak peek in the box. Not a very good one, unfortunately, because we've got so many of these noodlies and I'm going to make a mess everywhere. But basically, Pretty Obsessed do 3 different subscription boxes. They do an eyelash one, Lashes for Life, that starts from £10 per month. If you're into lashes, perfect. They do a premium beauty box where you get 5 full-size items from £14.99, and then they do the premium one, which is what this is, where you get 10 full-size items in here for basically 25 quid. Let's have a dig through. Right, so before we begin, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I've got a future giveaway going on. I'm going to link a video just here. In that video, it's going to show you what prizes they are. There's 3 amazing prizes. The main one is the glossy 2021 advent calendar. So as you may notice, my setup's a little bit different. I haven't normally got that in the background for one. It's just messy. I've started doing a skincare declutter, and I'm trying to sort my room out because there may be a house move on the horizon. We'll have to see. But yeah, I just want to apologise for all that. My room is an absolute bomb site. So yeah, not fun. But the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Sunday Rain, and it's a nourishing bubble bath, mango and coconut. Oh, that sounds amazing. There's 450 mils in here. Oh, it's sealed. Should I open it? Yes, I'm going to open it because we are looking for a new house. We've sold this one, and we kind of need to buy a new one ASAP. And I'm looking for a bath. So yes, I want a bath. Oh god, that smells gorgeous. That smells absolutely gorgeous, and it looks really pretty too. Oh, I'm really looking forward to using this. Next we have this. So this is by Technic, and it is a powder brush. Fabulous. I have an obsession with brushes. I have got an obsession with sets of brushes, I must admit, but I am coming around to the singular brushes because I'm just a bit addicted. But this, oh, this looks nice. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, guys, that is super soft. It seems a really nice brush. Yeah, okay. I really like the weight of that at the end as well. I'm gonna enjoy using that. So next we have a nail polish. So this is by Emery Nails, and it's a matte nail polish. Okay, now you're talking. Although I must admit I'm really into my gel polishes at the moment. But let's have a look at this. So that's what it looks like. The shade is called Veil. Oh yeah, I really like that. That's beautiful. A lovely natural nudie colour, a light nudie colour. Really nice. The fourth product we have is this. I'm loving the packaging. It's very nice. So this is by the brand So Susan Cosmetics. Dream Maker Light Shifting Highlighting Cream. Oh, so that's what that looks like. It's in the shade Private Jet. I really like that nozzle. It's very, very fine and precise. But still I've managed to put way too much on. So let's just see what happens. Yeah, definitely put way too much on. Let's take most of that off. That's what, oh, that is so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. You only need a tiny bit. I put way too much on there, but that is stunning. Fifth item we have is this. It's by the brand Bella Paris, and let's have a look. It is a mineral blush in the shade Amaretto. I don't think I've ever had a mineral blush before, so definitely interesting. So that is what the blush looks like, and it's like a peachy colour and it's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. I can't wait to try that out. Me likey. Next product we have is this. So this is by the brand Sophia in Mabel, and it is a brow gel. Is it a colour or is it just a... I think it might be clear. This is what it looks like out the packaging. Yeah, it is. It's a clear brow gel. Oh, we'll have to try that out most definitely. I'm really getting into brow stuff now. Normally I just use a brown mascara, a normal eye mascara on my brows. I've got quite full brows, so I don't really have to worry about them. But yeah, I definitely will give that a go. I have another product by Sophia and Mabel, and this is product number 7. This is a tinted lip oil in the shade Cabana Service. Oh yeah, so that's what that looks like. I think once it's going to be on, it's going to be mostly clear, but it has a slight peachy orangey tint to it. Yeah, so it does mostly just look clear, but that's lovely and it feels really nice. It doesn't feel too sticky. Oh my god, and it smells so lovely. I'm gonna have a hard job not licking that off my lips, but that is really nice. Product number 8 is this. So this is by Minnies, and it is Ready Steady Selfie Lip Balm. Okay, so another lip product. I don't know why they put a lip balm in there and a lip oil. Okay. That smells so good. I love having a lip balm in my bag, so that's going to be really nice. Let's have a little swatch of this too. Yeah, it feels really nice. So yeah, that's the lip balm there. Yeah, it feels nice, smells gorgeous. Product number 9 we have is this. So this is by the brand Saturated Colour. Is that the name of the brand? I've got no idea. Yeah, Saturated Colour, and it's Make Me Matte Lipstick Mattifier. Okay, I've never actually heard of anything like this before, so that's definitely interesting. The packaging is gorgeous. Oh. So this looks like a lip balm as well. So yeah, if you've got a satin lipstick and you want it matte, apparently you just put that over the top. So I'm just gonna... Ooh, yeah, that feels very dry. It's like dragging. Wow, okay. So I wonder, will it work on that lip balm? I don't know. I'm gonna actually have to try that out. A very interesting concept indeed. Yeah, I don't know what to think about that. The last and final 10th product we have is this. So it is this, it fell off. Under any other normal circumstances, I would be, oh yay, great, another hairband, that's all we need. But it's got 2 pom-poms. So this gets my seal of approval straight away. I love it. I absolutely friggin' love it. These 2 pom-poms remind me of my mum. I've got a dressing gown in my bedroom, and the hood of the dressing gown's got 2 massive pom-poms, which is just like my mum. When I'm sitting there and I'm missing her, I pop it on and I'm like, just remembering good times, and I'm feeling a little bit sad, but then I can't be too sad in it because it's got two huge comical pom-poms on it. It's hilarious. But yeah, oh, that's gonna look so cute on, and obviously very, very practical. Yeah, massive thumbs up. So I didn't say it. This is by the Vintage Cosmetics company, and it's a pom-pom makeup band. Shake your pom-poms. But yeah, that is seriously cool. Really cool. Right guys, so that is the very late January Pretty Obsessed beauty box. So it's a bit far away this time. But what do you think? So personally, I am really loving this box. I think it's so good. We've got something for a bubble bath, which hopefully I will have soon. We've got some lovely makeup items, and I love the idea of that lipstick mattifier. It's just a new product to have in a beauty box. Really like the idea of it. The headband spot on. The highlighter is out of this world. Really nice nail varnish. Everything, I really like it. I'm just a bit confused. Why would they put a tinted lip oil, which is not really very tinted, it's basically clear? Why would they put a lip oil and a lip balm in the same box? But whatever, they're both good in any way. But yeah, 10 full-size products, which I absolutely love. It gets another thumbs up from me. I can't wait till next month. I just hope it comes a little bit earlier. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.